Oh my God. It's sad to see some people paying over $20 for a lead that can close or maybe wouldn't even respond to them at all. So check this out. My name is Yusuf alias. I've been in the marketing space for probably more time than all of these gurus that you're talking to right now, okay? So, look, if you go on my YouTube channel, you'll see some videos of me talking about marketing like 7, 8, 9 years ago. And in the process, I have tested over 300 marketing systems to date, okay? Now, the only thing that has worked for our clients and for us is paid ads. Now, what if people came to you and paid for your lead magnet and they paid for you to be part of your community? Not part of a list, a lead list that you're calling every day, but part of a community where they pay you every month to be part of the community. And they also pay you an extra sometimes to do a one-on-one with you. Do you think they will take your offer more serious? Well, of course, because they've already paid for it, right? So they're going to take it a lot more serious. They're going to engage more often. And get this, here's the best part. Are you ready? I don't think you are. Because look, you only pay the platform, which is Meta, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, pretty much the entire internet is Meta. You only pay them $6 a purchase and you're getting a purchase for $7. So you're basically making money to generate leads, you guys. Look, this is unheard of. Not a lot of people know about this because they have not been in this space long enough. And that's why we're willing to set this up on a one-time basis, like a one-time setup fee. And we'll give you access to Kenji AI where you can track everything and sell your products. But we're also willing to work on performance basis. Okay, you heard me right. We're willing to work on performance basis to get a percentage of your sales if you want to set up a system like this, okay? I've been setting up for a lot of our new clients and they've been really, really happy with it. Here is the review we got from Benjamin. He's invested in multiple marketing programs before, but he's never been able to get paid to generate leads before. So it's like something that you need to do to offset your ad budget and stop wasting your money on leads. All right. I'll see you guys in the Freedom Club. Take action today. We have a done for you system setup, one time setup, and we have a on performance basis that we would introduce inside this page, probably in the link below. All right. I'll see you later. Take care.